Hey, what's poppin'? What's going on? This is SIG, your host of Rideshare Careers. We're about to get into the driver bonuses, the streaks, and stuff like that. So let's get into it. You can press pause and read because I'm gonna try to keep this short and straight to the point. Hit the like button if you like this video. Definitely follow me for more videos. I'm on video like number 22 or whatever. Now, anyway, how the bonuses work? Basically, you got three different type of bonuses. You got the ones that's in real time, like when there's high demand for rides. Next thing you know, you start seeing plus $20, plus $40, like stuff like that. Not plus 40, but it'd be like plus 10, plus 3, plus whatever. You know what I'm saying? Then you got the schedule com. When schedule bonuses appear in the driver app at the beginning of the week, you get to see if you get 30 rides, you get like $150 and stuff like that. 70 rides, you get like $170, like whatever they do. They try to make it different every week. Power zone bonuses is like when you in the area that's just busy for no reason or for a reason, doesn't even matter. There's a power zone when you sitting there. You ever see somebody chilling in your car, in the car on the block, and they just like falling back? They got the lights on. That's because it's a power zone bonus, and they letting it go up, up, up. It'd be $3, then it'd be $4, then $5, then $6. It go up. Now the personal power zones is when you just killing it in a certain area, and they be like, you know what? Let's throw them some extra bread. You know what I'm saying? So all of these bonuses and stuff, this is how you really make money doing Lyft. You don't make money, well, you can make money doing ride by ride by ride by ride, and they stopped multi shared rides. So now you just got to do ride by ride, and it's harder to get like 20 something rides in a day, but you can. You feel what I'm saying? So all of these bonuses and stuff actually pay off. The street bonuses, as you can see right there, you get $9 for each ride, or you get an extra $9 for those 4 rides. Most times it's not 9, it's like 18 for 3, and depending on where you at. Now, ride streaks basically are multiple ride bonuses you can earn when you accept back-to-back rides during busiest times. That's when they start to pop up more. That's why I be telling people, the more you work to do Lyft and the more you do it, the more bonuses pop up. If you see no bonuses, that don't mean they never going to give you a bonus, or there's no bonuses that week. That mean that you got to actually grind, and they see that, oh, this person is actually putting in work, and then they start throwing you extra bread. You know what I'm saying? Earning guarantees ensure that you're going to get a certain amount of bread. Now the guarantees is like there. You see that right there? Hold on, basically, I ain't even gonna go back. It's basically like, you get for 81 rides, you get a $70, and then they be like, for 10 more rides, you get $80 for that. And like 10 more rides, you get, you know what I'm saying? That's 60 for 60, stuff like that. Once you complete certain amount of rides, you get that bread. Now the ride challenges is when multiple ride bonuses you can earn when you just the challenges is the same thing. Is that all that stuff sounds good, but it's the same thing. But it's many different ways to earn. Anyway, so